another key for success is planning. And I was saying, it's not in a particular order. So yeah. So when you are good at planning, it's very, it's very useful for your career, because if you want to just jump on something and you don't know what is step 1 or 2, or you don't anticipate that, usually when you get to that to a certain level, this is what you can expect. So how do I solve the problem in advance? For example, if you're a writer, you can start writing like really small short stories and everything. But the thing is, if you're not planning for the long term, like you want to be a published author, you won't know that, I need to actually have a book that has that many chapters, and I will need to send the manuscript to different publishers and things like that. So if you don't plan your work, yes, you can have like amazing talent, amazing skills, but if you don't know how to take the final product to the right people, this is a problem. For example, if you have a marketing campaign, because if you have a good product, if you don't market, if people don't know about it, it doesn't really matter, because if you don't have a marketing behind that is pushing the product, nobody will know it exists. So you have to be really good at planning. You have a good product, you have good skills, you're really good at what you're doing, but you have to know how to work the steps to get to where you want to go.